Thank you very much for being with us here today. Could you tell us who you are and what you do, please?
Okay, I'm Howard Cousins. I work as a IT management consultant. I haven't been as busy as I normally would be, but I'm semi-retired as well.
And what's your historical experience with investing?
It's been a bit haphazard. And I also made the big mistake of coming out of the market, I think in 2008, and staying out of it probably for 2 or 3 years because I was frightened of losing my capital. And so, I made a lot of mistakes, and I think it's good that that now I'm with Alpesh, that he's actually warning people of some of these pitfalls.
And what are your thoughts on the Great Investments Program?
I think most people are ignorant of how to make good investments, and I think that's the importance of the program, is the educational one, that it's really bringing people so that they can actually take charge of their finances, and this is more and more important where people are going to be retiring for longer and they don't want to be dependent on the meagre state pension that we get in the UK. So yeah, I think this is absolutely essential, and it's a very worthwhile program.
Excellent. And can you talk a little bit more about your results so far?
You know, I've only been in it for less than a year, but the results for me have been fantastic. They've been transformational.